Hello everyone, welcome to the DIY Den. So today I'm going to share these 4 beautiful decor ideas for this Diwali. Firstly, I have taken these cardboard circles and attached 3 each to make it more thicker. And I have firstly applied a layer of white paint, then orange and some stones and pearls on it. So like this, I'm going to make this Shubla, and this is also done. For the next one, I have taken this cardboard. I have traced 4 jerokas on it and cut it one by one. Attached 2 thin cardboards to make it more thicker, and using glue gun we are going to stick it all together very nicely. Now paint it with white paint, yellow paint, and then on yellow I have done the golden paint. Now to cover the rough surfaces, we are going to stick this gutta lace neatly. Place one candle over it, and this one is also done. Now let's make a floating candle. So I have cut out petals and I'm going to make it very beautiful with red paint. Like this, I'm going to highlight it and then take a green sheet. We're going to stick it like this on the top of it. Firstly, we are going to make some lines so that it looks like the veins of the leaves only, like this. And now I'm going to use this iron to make it more beautiful so that all the petals come upward side like this. And I'm going to stick it using Fevicol only. Place one LED light in the center of the lotus, and our beautiful lotus DIY floating candle is done. It's looking so beautiful. So let's move ahead on our last DIY. I'm going to make this toran. I have this beautiful design of beads and stones. So I'm going to firstly make one knot to hold it, and then the second knot, and then I'm going to take some pom-poms of different colors and designs so that it looks more beautiful. So first I'm going to put this red pom-pom, then the green one, then the orange one. In the section of both the pom-poms, I'm going to place 3 beads of golden shade, and we're going to continue this process. So this is also done. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.